Hello parents, welcome to our early childhood science, the early stage of understanding what is happening around us, and this book is for preschoolers and nursery age children. The first page is covered with plastic, and this book is a hardcover book which is durable. Now we have the child's name will be placed in front of the book, and if you purchase this book, your child's name will be in front of the book. Here we have why science is important for young children, and this is a guideline so that parents can have a better understanding about science. Here we have on the first page, there are 4 weather conditions in Guyana. So we're speaking about Guyana, and we have the weather conditions where the child can pick it up, and the child can match the correct one to the correct picture. We have here the things that is in the sky. We have the cloud, the stars, we have the sun. So we're giving the child that understanding about things that are in the sky. We have over here harmful and friendly animals. So the child will have to pick out friendly animals, and we have harmful animals. And these are animals that we see every day. Over here we have vegetables, and these are vegetables that we have in the market, and the child will be able to recognize the vegetable by calling the name of each vegetable and matching it to the correct picture. Over here we have fruits, and we have all the fruits, some of the fruits I should say that we have in Guyana, and you know that we must teach our children what we have right here in Guyana, and these are just a few of the fruits that your child can learn the name of and identify it as well. Here we have oral health, and where we have the child showing the child the toothbrush and Colgate, and the child will see that the different stage where the Colgate is on, the Colgate and the toothbrush is in the mouth. And then over the bottom here we show the child when you don't brush your teeth what happens, and when you brush your teeth how you get healthy teeth, and you must visit the dentist. So this page speaks about oral health. Over here we have internal body parts, where we have the heart, and we have the lungs and the brains. We have the stomach and the lungs, and a picture showing inside. So this is very nice to start to teach our children at an early age, so the child can actually see the picture and identify it by matching as well. Here we have do not touch these things, and this page is speaking about things that they should not touch. So we're showing them about the matches and the needle and knives and electric outlets, and these are things that children should not play with. So we have here teaching them what they should not play with. Over here we have colors. We have the red and the blue, and the child can match the child. If the child gets it wrong, you can always teach the child the correct color by placing it on the correct picture. So we have the colors, and then we move on here to sense of taste. And here we have sour, and we have the tamarind taste sour. We have honey sweet, and the cake tastes sweet. We have 2 pictures of each because we want the child to be familiar. We have here the salty, and the child would know about the sense of taste here. Now we have here sense of touch, where we have hard and sticky, where the child will touch each object, and the child will understand this is smooth. You'll have to teach the child rough and bumpy. So this page is sense of touch, and your child can have the different touch and understand the feelings of each. We have objects. These are simple objects that you can find around the place, and we have it here where the child can match it as well, the different objects that a child can find. We have here the body parts, where the child will engage in matching it in the correct body part, putting it in the correct place where it have to go. The child will have the opportunity to match it in the correct way. If the child make a mistake, the child can always take it off and put it back on the correct parts. So the child will have the opportunity to match their body parts as well. We have the external body parts of a boy, and we have external body parts of a girl as well here. Then we're moving on to the process of germination. Of course, we want our children to see how we actually get fruits and where it comes from. So we have the seed and how it goes into the soil and what happens, and we have by watering it, by giving it sunlight, the plant will grow, it will blossom, it will bear fruit. So this is just an example for our little ones to know where we get all those fruits from. And this last page is about the author, and we have here about all the other books we have available. We have our body parts books available. We have our numbers 1 to 10 available. We have early childhood social studies. We have early childhood letters, and this here is our early childhood science. So here you go, parent. It's durable, it's hard, and it would last long. And the pages is easy to turn, and it opens wide where the child can actually turn it and not, the child have enough space to work. So parents, you can place your order by sending a message, and depends on your location, the book will be delivered to you. Thank you again, parents. Please do share the books so that others can see, and please remember to check out our new books that we have available, the entire series.